This is our Captain's Galley board SM. With a blend of timeless elegance with masterful craftsmanship, this 13-inch by 13-inch by 1 3/4-inch thick board features our signature beveled base and installed feet, offering stability and refinement suited to any kitchen or serving space. Easier to move around than the larger boards, this beautiful board features elegant walnut and maple woods and undergoes a meticulous 3-step finishing process. Hand sanding, a food-safe mineral oil bath, and a beeswax polish. The result is a smooth, durable surface that enhances the beauty of the wood. The holidays are approaching fast, and every board we make is crafted to order. At Galleys To Rails, we believe in true craftsmanship and use only premium-grade materials. Take the stress out of gift-giving with a piece that's built to last and made to be remembered. Order today at galleys2rails.com and enjoy free shipping on every purchase. Your recipient will think of you every time they see your beautiful gift.